Hi, everybody, and welcome back. We're going to be talking about another Medicare conditional payment problem. Last week, we talked a lot about what happens from the claimant side if the Medicare conditional payment issue isn't resolved at the time of settlement. And that caused this attorney who brought us this story to give us a call and engage us in helping him because he's on the other side. He's the personal injury attorney and has a Medicare conditional payment that has been outstanding since 2002. So this issue starts, we've got the person injured, the attorney gets hired, the settlement is received, and he holds on to the proceeds of that settlement, contacts Medicare because the claimant is a Medicare recipient and did have bills that, as a result of this personal injury situation that went to Medicare and were paid. And so the attorney, by those facts, knew that there was an outstanding Medicare conditional payment. So he reaches out to Medicare and never hears back from them. A couple of years go by, or about a year, 18 months or so goes by, he still hasn't heard back from him. So he goes ahead and disperses, most of the funds to the claimant and holds on to $65,000 in the hopes of resolving this MCP problem at some point in the near future. But he doesn't. Years go by and Medicare presumably hasn't been responding. A few years go by and the attorney, picks up the phone again, calls, sends a letter, tries to get this file moving through their system, and he just continues to not receive any response. So over a decade goes by, still nothing. Well, it turns out they were responding. They were sending letters to who is now the personal representative of the estate. And that person, the PR of the estate, had just never informed the attorney and never responded to Medicare. So this problem has just been sort of festering and persisting in the background until the PR goes off and hires his own attorney and pursues this personal injury attorney who handled the settlement in the first place to release the funds to them and to add it to the estate. So he gets a court order basically forcing the hand of the personal injury attorney. Personal injury attorney turns over the money. And of course, here comes Medicare, rearing their ugly head for their MCP money back. And they've gone and collected or added to the bill years of 10.25% interest onto this original MCP issue. And so that's what brought this attorney to our door to help him unwind this massive problem and hopefully free him, alleviate him of this long-lasting issue. So I will be happy to keep all of you updated as things progress. Hopefully we have a happy ending at this and some good news to share with all of you. And so until then, if you're the type of attorney who never wants to see, this type of Medicare conditional problem on their desk, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. And if you're just a firm that needs somebody who handles Medicare compliance and ensures that these things don't happen to you, click on our link below and schedule a consultation through Calendly. We'd be happy to help. So until next time, all of you stay safe and talk to you soon.